I'm Brett Johnson. I'm the golf course superintendent at Point Judith Country Club in Narragansett, Rhode Island. This is a room that houses a 50-ton sand silo that we use on the greens after we aerate and for keeping firmness on the greens for top dressing. We had a door here already, a couple of the lower panels that got damaged, and then the motor was having some issues with the sand. The building was built in 2008, so it was time to upgrade it, and so we had to get a company that could come in here and work in a tight quarter and take care of it for us. You know, we tried to call people and no one would do it, and garage headquarters said, yeah, we can get it done.
We received a phone call from one of the managers at the Point Judith Country Club, and she was in a little bit of a panic. We need access to this garage right away. We were able to be on site within about an hour.
Took care of the panels for us, put a special waterproof enclosure in, even though there's no water in here, but the sand is very abrasive on the garage doors, and they got us taken care of very quickly for a room that we need access to in and out quite a bit.
This is their business. This is their ability to deliver for their clientele. And when every member of the team has that sense of urgency, and every member of the team understands that we are the link between our customer's ability to deliver to their customer, whether that happens or not, it's in our hands, and has proven it once again, in this case, with a strong sense of urgency to deliver for the customer.